Hi everyone, Ian here from Mako Create, and in today's video we are going
Do you want to go through something like that?
Gotta do some outtakes. Digitally taking somebody's face and
on phones, tablets, websites. Ugh, start again, please.
taking pictures of people.
There's loads of that's me.
All you need to do is on your PC or computer. PC or computer.
Oh yeah, because it's the two of the same.
Oh, why can't I do it now?
Sorry, I can't search for videos on Apple Watch.
That's annoying.
It just isn't sounding right.
Which is a royalty-free image.
Okay, so go crazy, have fun.
Hand side, which is Ian.
It sounded good the first time round.
You'll be taken to. So when you've clicked on Pixlet,
Follow us on all I can get social media out then.
yeah. So that is everything, guys.
Yeah, but it's on. Why is it not working?
Could even be. That was okay as well. Glitch chat. Forgot what it was that we were doing.
See, it's only. Why is it only working on certain frames?
I have no idea. I'm going to stitch all this together.